This is paper 20 variant 21, paper 2 variant 21, the May June 2011. He say using a suitable database package imported the file jx1 cars 21.csv. So we'll open access, same jx1 cars 21. I'll put it on desktop. Okay, and create, close this one, and external data, text file. I will browse my file. This is it. Okay, delimited. Next. Of course, first row contains field names. Next. Here in the question paper we have the field names and the data types, and this is the description. In the first field VIN, it's text data. This is the unique number for each car produced, so it means this is the primary key for this database. So here I will choose my own primary key and I will select the VIN. If I forget to make it here, I can make it from the design view for the table itself, and we will see how to make it. Press next and finish, close. This is my table. Now from the home, from the design view here, to assign the data types, if I didn't make it from here, I can just select the field, right click and select primary key if I didn't make from the importing the file itself. Then here it's text. This is the model of the car. Then power text, this is the power source for the car, e.g. petrol or diesel. Engine size, it's text. This is the cubic capacity of the engine where relevant. So for text, and this one is text. Then the cost price, here he say this is in euros and 2 decimal places is currency. So from here we'll select it currency. From the format down we select it as euro, and the decimal places are 2. Then the color, it's text. Port is text. Here country, it's text. Distributor is text, and the dispatched is boolean, records whether a car has been sent out from the port or not. So here it's yes or no, and from the here we can see that it's yes or no and it's text. So yes or no, and from the lookup we are going to make it as text box. Then go to the view. I have to save. This is my data, my table, and my cost price in euros and 2 decimal places. This is yes or no. After this he says save a screenshot showing the field names and data types used. Insert a copy of this screenshot into the evidence document. So only I will take a screenshot here for the cost price as currency, and here for the dispatched it's yes or no, and I will place it in my evidence document. Copy and paste, just print the screen and paste. Then he says insert the following 3 records for the VIN. Now go to add the end. I have 837. Go to add the end of my records. This is the last one, and here just write the new 3 records. Tab, 1100. Tab, it's blue. Tab, the board is pressed. Tab, and the country is France. Here, FMDSA, and the dispatch is no. Then here, second record, it's it's H, 900, 1200. It's red and pressed. Red and here pressed. It's France too. Dispatched is no. Still copying the 3 new records. It's G, then 600, 850, and it's red in color. The board is pressed. The country is France. FMDSA, same here, and the dispatched is no. Then I will take a screenshot for my new fields and I will put it in the evidence document. Then he says check your data entry for errors. I will check my data entry with the original data. Then save the data. I will just save. Then produce a report which contains a new field called delivered price, which is calculated at runtime. This field will calculate the cost price of the car plus a delivery charge of 200 euros. So I will create query wizard, okay, from all the fields. Then next it's a detail, and here I will type the title for my report. Includes the heading dispatch manifest port pressed, and I will put it as my query title to appear in the report, and press finish. This is my query. Go to home and view, design view, contain a new field called delivered price. Here at the end of my fields here my delivered price in the column, and it's calculated as cost price of the car plus delivery charge of 200. So cost price of the car plus 200 and press enter. Now I have to put the square brackets here. The name of the field has to be put into squared brackets. Press enter. Has the delivered price field in euros with 2 decimal places. So here the format is euro, and of course the 2 decimal places from the cost price will be appear. Has the delivered price field 2 decimal places, shows only the records where the country is France and the cars have not been dispatched. It means here in the country I will type in the criteria France, press enter and take care about the spellings. And the dispatched, here he says the cars have not been dispatched. It means no. In the dispatched here it means no. According to that dispatched field is yes or no, it's Boolean. Just view my query results. This is it, with the total country is France and the dispatched is no, and this is the new field, the delivered price with 2 decimal places and the currency symbol as euro. Shows only the fields from the report, fits on a sandwich wide, sorted the data into ascending order of VIN. So from the design view we make here the VIN, the VIN is ascending order of VIN. Calculate the total number. Now my query is finished. View it again. It's now sorted into ascending order. Then I will create my report wizard. Yes. Now I will select VIN model, my fields that I wanted to be shown. Then model power, then it's engine size, cost price, color port, engine size, cost price, color and port, then distributor and delivered price. So distributor and delivered price, and we skipped the 2 fields of country and dispatched. Press next. The ascending order of VIN. Next, the orientation he mentioned here, landscape and fit to one page. So landscape, next, and this is the title of my report. Just press finish. Now he wants my fields totally visible with the labels and the data from the layout view. Just make it adjust it to make it all appear. Model here we can minimize it a little bit. Power 2, engine size, cost price it's okay. Color we can minimize it, and the board we can minimize it. The distributor minimize it a little bit too, and the delivered price we can enlarge it. Just make it as all as left align. After this he calculates the total number of cars in this selection and place it at the bottom of the report. Has a label. Now he wants to count the number of cars in this report, in this selection, and for this criteria, for only the dispatched is no and the country is France in our report. So here for the model we can make totals and we count records. It will appear at the end of the report. This one, just go to the design view to make its label, which is total cars for France. Make label beside it, and total cars for France here. As we mentioned before, we can change the color and change the size for the font. Can maximize it. And he says, here's your name, center number and candidate number on the left in the footer. So here in the page footer, just enlarge it, label, and on the left here just type name, center number and candidate number. The color here and the font size. Number. The title already is totally visible, so it's okay. Now go to the view. Now my report is okay with all data and their labels, and already this is my total cars for France and my name, center number and candidate number. If I want to check the brim review, now this is the first page. I have my name, center number and candidate number in it. It's not shown the O for the candidate number. So close the brim review, go to the view, design, and just maximize this a little bit. View again, brim review. This is my page number. Now it's okay. This is the first page. I have my report into 2 pages. This is the first page. Now I can see the total number. It will be shown here at the end of the report, and my name, my center number and candidate number are shown on 2 pages. Just press save and just print.